Welcome back to the channel everyone. Today we are going to talk about something that confuses almost every computer science student and fresher. That is portfolio versus resume. Which one actually matters more for tech jobs? Should you focus on building your resume first, or should you start making your portfolio website right away? Let's break this down clearly and practically. If you have noticed, everyone gives different advice. Some seniors say resume is everything, some say portfolio is the real proof of your skills, and then you are just stuck like what I am supposed to do. So in this video, I'll explain what a resume really does, what a portfolio really does, when and how recruiters look at both, and how you should use them to your advantage. Start with the resume. A resume is basically a one-page marketing document about you. It contains your education, your skills, your projects, your internships or experience, and maybe some achievements. The goal of the resume is not to impress. The goal is to get you shortlisted. Recruiters spend just 6 to 8 seconds scanning your resume, so it needs to be clear and easy to read. If your resume looks cluttered or like a paragraph, the recruiter will not even read it. So simplicity and clarity matters much more than fancy designs. Now let's talk about the portfolio. If a resume is what you say, the portfolio is what you show. A portfolio is where you prove your skills with actual work. It can be a personal website, a GitHub profile, a Notion page with project write-ups, a Behance or Dribble page if design related. For example, on your resume, you might write, built a movie recommendation app using Python. But your portfolio will show the GitHub link, screenshots, live demo, and also explanation of how you built it. So your portfolio basically turns words into real evidence that you really did it. Let me simplify the difference. Now, resume versus portfolio. So, what is the purpose? Resume has the purpose to tell what you have done, and portfolio has the purpose to show what you have done. Now, what is the format of the resume? Resume is basically a one-page document, a text document basically, and a portfolio is mainly a website or a project showcase. Now, what is the focus of the resume? To show the skills and achievements. And what is the focus of the portfolio? To show real proof and results. Now, the resume has only one goal, that is to get shortlisted, and portfolio has the goal to get remembered and selected. Okay, so resume basically opens the door, but the portfolio convinces them to hire you. When do you actually use each of them? Resume is used for uploading on job portals, campus placement drives, sending to HR initially, LinkedIn Easy Apply, and portfolio is used for talking in technical interviews, showing your projects, impressing hiring managers, sharing with developers or engineers. So both are used at different stages of the hiring process. Got it? Here's the truth that no one will tell you. What recruiters actually check. Recruiters first look at your resume. If they see skills and projects relevant to the job, then they click on your portfolio link. So, resume filters candidates and portfolio decides quality among the selected candidates. So, if you have only a resume, you look similar to everyone else. But if you have a portfolio, you stand out instantly. Now, how to build a strong portfolio? You don't need to build a super fancy website. Even a simple, clean GitHub plus Notion portfolio is enough. Just include 3 to 4 best projects, not 10 average ones. Short explanation of the problem you solved, screenshots or demo video, GitHub link, and very important is keep it organized and easy to navigate. Good portfolios are simple, not flashy. Now, let's talk about the final verdict. What matters more? The honest answer is both. Your resume gets you the opportunity, and your portfolio helps you convert that opportunity into a job. If you want to stand out in tech, don't choose one. Use both together always. Now, some bonus tips. So, what are the quick pro tips? Put your portfolio link at the top of your resume. Update both every time you finish a project. Tailor your resume per job role. Show fewer but better quality projects. These small things can create a huge difference. If this video cleared your confusion, comment below portfolio power. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this with a CS friend. So, I'll be posting videos on all important tech topics. Please stay tuned and watch my next video.